Carbon shock coilover spring retainers. How they're made. Every spring retainer starts with American-made aluminum, cut to precise lengths. The first machining operation shapes the top side, both the inner and outer profiles. Next, the part moves to a second machine, where the underside is fully profiled. The final step happens on a CNC mill, where we cut the slot for the shock shaft. Once machining is complete, each part is deburred, chemically polished, and anodized in black for durability and a sleek finish. All of this done under one roof, in-house, right here at Carbon Shock Technologies.